How to change the language preference on Coursera. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your language preference on your Coursera. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to any of your browser and search in for Coursera, and just make sure you are logged into your account under your Coursera account. So once you're logged in, if you're using a browser, you will be directly seeing this language option at the top, just right next to the notification button. So you can simply click on it, and as you can see it's currently toggled on to Hindi. So you can simply select any language you prefer and just select on it and wait for some time for it to load, and just like that you have successfully changed your language preference on your Coursera account. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.